In this session, we're going to see an application of interactive charts. We're going to see an interactive sales chart. So basically, we're going to see that this can be done creating a dynamic effect. So our bars are updated according to some functions. There is not too much to be surprised of. We're going second graph, and here we have some labels. So by clicking these cells containing these labels, we're going to update our data here. Okay, as you can see. So to do this, basically we're going to do the following. We're going these are the data. Here we're going to create another table where we summarize the years, the products, and the regions. We're going to give names of these ranges, okay, as well as giving a name to this table. And after we create this worksheet, we're going to create another worksheet for our calculation. Okay, here we have the year. We're going to take the year. Okay, then the selected product, the selected region. And here we're going to create, basically for each product, for each region, a table containing some formulas. The first one is going to basically calculate if the product is this one, okay, and the same is for this and the same for this, the same. So we're going to sum for South if we find a t-shirt, and for all the region we just sum the two values. Okay, so we get values here of this area. Okay, then we're going to use chart. We're going to do the same sum ifs. Okay, for here cells. Then we are going to create the data for the chart. So basically I'm going to take here, I'm going to check which region is. If the region is the same as this label, that I get if the function NA with brackets means I'm going to display not applicable, as this is the if it is here is selected. If I'm going to select this, automatically this will be selected. Okay, I will show you then exactly how to do this. Or I display not applicable, or I'm going to display it here. I'm going to get the value of age 13 here. Until this, I'm going to take match of this and this. This interactive table. When I'm going to select this, I check basically with a function index here. This is my value. If I click here, I'm going to select a chart, and I'm going to update this chart as well, because this is going to have because by clicking on this, I'm going to update these values here, and I'm going to click on this. I'm going to update the values here. Okay, we will see that. That's step by step how to create this.